guys, happy Wednesday. I'm en route to Spacestation420 in Gordons Bay, a new store, part of the ROLLingSTONER group. They've got really nice stores all over the country. I'm excited because it's always an inspiration to be a part of a new entrepreneurial spirit, jumping into the cannabis industry. And the little things that I love about it are that you'll always see somebody's person, the owner's person, somewhere in the branding or in one of the products, in the story. So I'm really excited to go and experience this. One of the cool parts of what I do. So when I get there, I'll send you a video, but in the meantime, keep rolling, have a beautiful day, and yeah. Hey guys, I promised you a little viewing. Space Station 420, check ROLLingSTONER, Fields of Green Legends. All the right signage, the right. Hey, let's have a look. I wonder if the guys are here. Hello. What's your name? What's your names? Genre. How's it, bro? I'm just doing a video here. This is so tit, eh? There's Jandre, the owner. How's it, Jandre? What's your name? Yandri. Hello, Yandri. How's it? Beautiful space, eh? Hey, this is rad. Private Members Club, legend. Beautiful. There we go, guys. Space Station 420, Gordons Bay. Rock and roll. How's it, guys? Great meeting I just had with Jandre and his wife and his 3 dogs and his members in the most beautiful homely lounge. I've had the pleasure of spending time in. Took this long, at like 3 hours, and that's the way to do it. It's the way to keep people, and if you can keep somebody's heart, you can keep them as a customer for the rest of time. So Genre, I value and appreciate you. Space Station 420, beautiful, thank you.